Do not wait for a perfect time. Guys, there is no perfect time. If you actually want to start a YouTube channel, start today. No perfect time. I think I need to share with you at least 10 YouTube tips that you can actually be following. You can choose it as your style of, creating a video, improving your channel, so that you can definitely improve your channel with these YouTube tips. So guys, I think the first thing to do is know your niche. It is very, very important to know your niche, because you can't just be making video today talking about football, making video today talking about YouTube, making video today talking about politics. I think this is going to be frustrating. The YouTube algorithm will definitely don't recognize your content. The viewers who supposed to watch your video, the YouTube algorithm, his own business is to take your video and present it to your available viewers on the YouTube platform. That is the YouTube algorithm. Don't forget, you are not doing promotion. YouTube algorithm is the one doing promotion for you. So it is very, very important and very, very essential for you to know your niche. If you are talking about football, focus on football and choose a niche. If it is a club, you talk about a club. But if you like anything about lifestyle, talk about lifestyle. If you like anything about YouTube, you want to be advising people, you want to be making a tutorial on YouTube, just focus on it. YouTube algorithm will definitely know your niche. Always focus on a searchable and trending content. It is very, very important, because many people did not know. You just make a video, you don't know whether people are currently searching it. And anyone who is making video nowadays, they actually want to get blown up. They want their video to actually go viral. But before your video can actually go viral, I think it should be searchable by people. When you see your video, people search, getting to watch it from Google, getting to watch it from other platforms aside from YouTube. I think it shows that you are posting a relevant and searchable trending content. And where can you get a trending content? I think it is a YouTube search engine, where whenever you open your YouTube app, where you place your search, I think that's where you are going to get your keywords. Don't forget, just try this. Type in any keyword, just say YouTube tips for beginner. You will see a lot of options, lot of keywords that will actually pop up under your under your keyboard. I think these are some of the searchable content, so that people are currently searching it. So guys, it is very, very important for you to know that yes, this content you are doing, are people currently searching it? Is it trending? This is very, very important, so that you can definitely grow on time. Your video can really, get to a larger amount of people. So it is very, very important to always search, always make a content that people are currently searching and is currently trending. And one thing about video is that, so many people want to blow up on this YouTube channel. They create a YouTube channel, but making a video is now frustrating. When you make a video, at least get people to stay and watch your video at least for 10 seconds. Let me say 10 seconds. The first 10 seconds is very, very important. The first 10 seconds, or let me say 5 seconds, because you can't be making a boring video for people to watch. No. Just take a look at you like a movie. Which kind of movie do you like? It is because this movie actually makes some suspense, have some kind of curiosity, So it is very, very important for you to talk something that is reasonable, something that will actually solve people's problem, so that people will come to watch your video. The moment they see it, the first 5 seconds, it will definitely define your video. So it is very, very important for you to present your content very well. Be bold enough to talk, and always face your camera, talk to your audience. Let them know that yes, you know what you are doing. So it is very, very important to hook your audience in the first 5 seconds. Whenever you are making your videos, guys, do not waste time on it, because some people are here on YouTube channel to learn. Yes, many people are here to learn. So you can't be making 10-minute video, 5-minute video, or let me say 20-minute video, and the content that some people will take and present it in the space of 5 minutes. You can't be delaying people on this your video. No, you can't be delaying people. The best thing is for you to know how you are going to leverage your content. Ensure you are creating a content that will not waste people's times. Some people usually do something whenever they want to have, like, let me say 5 tips, then the most important one, they will go and place it at the last. I think this is very, very bad. Actually, people will wait and watch it until the last step. But guys, I'm telling you, the first thing you need to do is do not waste time. Just present your content. People will watch it. When you are solving people's problem, people are ready to watch. So my advice for you is do not waste time in your video. If it is 5 minute video, present it very well. Let people watch. And if it is 10 minute video, you have a lot of time. Talk very well and get people to watch your content. So if the thumbnail and the title is not correct, people will not click on your video. Know the title. Study the way people are titling their video. Depends on your niche. You will see different people on your niche that are there before you. So it is best for you to know how to title your video and the thumbnail. These are some of the things that people see and click on your video. Very soon your video will start getting view once you master how to title the video and also create the clickable thumbnail. It is very, very important. This is a tip that people usually overlook, but guys, it is very, very important. If I want to watch any video today, one thing I will first see is the thumbnail and the title. Then this will actually make me to click on the video and see what the content is all about. So it is very, very important for you to know how to craft the title and also make a thumbnail. Always be consistent. Be consistent. Once you start your channel, once you start your YouTube channel, once you start getting your subscribers, people will always come back to watch the video you are making for them. Let's say you solve some people's problem today. By tomorrow, they may come back. By next week, they may come back. Next month, they may come back. Even though 2 years coming, they may still come back. So it is very, very important for you to stay consistent on your video making. Be consistent on it. Continue to make a video. If it is 2 times you actually want to be posting video per week, make it 2 times. And if it is 3 times, make it 3 times. And if it is every day, you are there. This is your channel. Make video. Solve people's problem. It is very, very important. So guys, I think it is very, very important to always be consistent, because if you create a shop and you are there working for people, providing service for people, and today they come to your shop, they don't see you, they can't find you, the next day, people will be very, very discouraged. They will say, oh, it seems this guy is not serious. You are just posting just anytime you like. So it is very, very important for you to always be consistent so that your viewers can actually subscribe and continue to enjoy your content. Some people might gather good camera quality, everything might be okay, but guys, people can forgive the visual of your video, but the audio quality is very, very important. Always look for a remote area where the background is okay and also where people are not making noise. Guys, it is very, very important when the audio is hearable, when people can actually hear what you are saying, understand what you are saying. I think people will wait and continue to watch your content. They continue to watch your video, but when the audio is very, very bad, guys, it's another tip. The audio, always ensure the audio of your video is audible enough. It's something that people can actually understand, not when people will continue to strain their ear before they can actually understand what you are trying to say. Good quality audio equals good quality video. Study what works on YouTube. It is very, very important for you to study what works. Do not guess. What I mean by this is the way people are titling their video, the way people are making the thumbnail. I think if you go to different kind of platform, like let me say Facebook, the way people are titling their video is different from the way people are titling their video on YouTube. It is quite different. And the thumbnail, even though on YouTube, even though on Facebook, you might not even need thumbnail and your video will actually go viral. But on YouTube, it is very, very important. Study what works. Do not guess. Just study how people are creating their thumbnail, how people are creating their titles. It is very, very important for you not to guess. Yes, because you can't just be saying that which kind of title am I going to write today. No, know exactly the way people are titling their video. So it is very, very important for you to know what actually works on YouTube. Always add value in every video you are making. It is very, very important for you to add value. It is very important, guys, because you can't just be here making videos for the sake of people to just watch. No, it's very, very important for you to add value. When you are solving people's problem every day, when people has any problem, they come to your channel, they see that yes, you provide a solution. I think it is very, very important. Let me say, people who actually want to start a YouTube channel, they need some certain kind of YouTube tips, to grow their channel. So, and you are there, you are making a video, you are telling them these are some of the tips they actually need to grow their channel, to create their channel, and to make a YouTube a successful one, I think you are actually solving people's problem, because people actually want to make money on this platform. Do not wait for a perfect time, guys. There is no perfect time. If you actually want to start a YouTube channel, start today. No perfect time. This thing in your heart will continue to tell you that no, you cannot make it. Even though if you post video today, if it does not have a lot of view, they will tell you that it seems your content is not relevant or your channel is not visible. Guys, continue, keep posting. Don't wait for the perfect time. There is no perfect time. So I'm imploring you right now that if you actually follows all these 10 tips I've shared with you, I think it is very, very incredible. Your YouTube channel is going to go viral. People will continue to watch your video, and from daily, one of your video will just go viral, and you start making money, and your channel will become a successful. So I think it is very, very important for you to know that yes, no perfect time. If you want to have a YouTube channel, start today. Create your YouTube channel, post video, guys. It is left for you to continue to improve your channel. So guys, these are some of the tips I said as a share with you guys. As a YouTube beginner, it is very, very important for you to know all these YouTube tips. So I think it's very, very important. So guys, if you have any, if you find this video very helpful, I hope you subscribe to the channel for more video, more YouTube tips. I will continue to motivate you guys if you actually want to become a YouTuber. So thank you guys.